conditions, it's a listing post.
You got it in Honolulu. Alright, you guys take care on the stage now, Mod Squad. Mobile, aloha.
Yeah, I don't think I don't want to blow this damn truth up. I never did. I take the gas out of it. But I just want to see what this company can do before I sell it to this stuff. Look at that right here. Does anyone hear me?
Hey, Mod Squad, man, you got all kinds of people hollering at you.
Yeah, 766 plug in my ears when you key up. Well, I hear him calling me every now and then. Mod Squad, right back.
Looking at the bird. So if you don't buy it, that's all over him, right?
You guys have a good one, Mod Squad. Mobile, aloha.
No, it's working on the bird now. You gotta remember, I'm hooked up to a 440 line.
Hey, 27?
I hooked up to a 440 line there, right here.
No.
Check.
Yeah, right here. Hey, seven. Now, hold back out of it. Hey, look at that copy. Look at the headroom. Look at the headroom when I backed out of it. I backed down to fifth gear. I backed down to 20,000. I backed it down to 20 grand. Look at that copy just rocking. She's rocking. She's sitting there rocking. 47 months.
Right there, showed on 20 grand right there.